Sooryoham. I was thinking today morning while doing Surya Yoga, what will happen to those who are doing very injustice to the society and humanity and planet Earth? There's a leader of one community, he's a devotee of one great guru. He's very old and he undergo a bypass surgery. I heard about him. He's doing a lot of injustice, looting, exploiting, killing people. And he's the secretary of a big movement. So much wealth, around 5,000 crore. What will happen anytime if he die? The next birth. Hardly he needs around 1,000 bucks a day. And this much wealth. The next birth, what will happen? No doubt. I'm very sure. Next birth, he will become a dog with lot of wounds, or a bullock, or a worm. No doubt for that. There is no possibility for him to get liberation or moksha in this birth because he is very greedy and he is very selfish and a criminal minded guy. Guru mentioned very clearly, if you didn't do your duty well, next birth, a bullock or a donkey. Many politicians all around the globe, in US, in India, in Russia, in China, all around, look at what they are doing. Injustice to the society, exploiting natural wealth, natural resources, and doing all type of circus. This is not their mistake, but this is a dark age circus. Criminals will rule the world. Criminals will be in the high post. Good people can't reach because this is Kali Yuga, a Kali Yuga Mahima hai. So their vibrations are very low. It's low frequency. I call it tamasic, rakshas vibrations, devilish, demon vibrations. And some politicians in South, they're killing 51 times, 60 times. Anytime they're sick, actually. You people, you Budhus will die tomorrow. You're not thinking of anything. Karma, it is there. What you sow, you reap. What you cook, you eat. So it's time for you guys to realize the truth, the fact. This Guru Purnima, full moon, Sunday. Forget about all your criminal activities you did last days. This is a time for you to awake from slumber, from your ignorance, from your dirty politics. Otherwise, you have to pay heavily. It's your karma. But I'm telling you, it's time to open your eyes. Propagate Surya Yoga. Chant Sooryoham Sunday. You get up early morning, 4 o'clock, Sooryoham 1008 times. This is your mission. So if you follow, you are saved from your miseries. And look at the life of a donkey or a bullock. Think about. Maybe you don't believe in what I say. No issues, no problems. Whether you believe, whether you follow, that is your headache, babies. Suryoham.